There we go. Hey guys, it's Ryan Hoffman here at Wholesale Capital. Just want to give you a quick little market update of what's going on. Look at that. Interest rates still going higher and volatility is still up there. So now is the time. If you're on the fence, you're not sure, you got to sell, you got to buy, you got to do whatever you got to do. Now's the time to do it. There's a bunch of different information you're going to see coming over here, but one of the things we got to talk about is interest rates are going to keep going up. Now, I'll give you a link to look at all this stuff as we go. But just to show you what interest rates have been doing, this is from right here. You can see this is from January, and this is what rates have been doing. Came down just a little bit over here, and then it started going back up again. So that being said, now's the time. You got to jump on it. Now, you're going to say, well, I might just ride this out. If interest rates go up, people can't afford houses. It means that house values are going to go down, right? Not necessarily. A lot of times what we're seeing is in high price markets, there's going to be more inventory on the market, and the super high price houses, those may stable, those may go down a little bit, but in places with more affordability compared to, like if you're not in Silver Lake or Beverly Hills or anything like that, people move farther out to areas where it is a little bit more affordable. Those values will go up. Something to think about. And as interest rates continue to go up, that's when we really got to be focused. I'm going to include a link to this down below, but you can see right here. This is a little tool that allows us to see what happens to your payment if interest rates go up and what happens to your payment if prices change and interest rate changes. Now, keep in mind here, these numbers are purely based on only two variables, and this is going to be principal and interest only. It does not include taxes and insurance, so don't consider this a rate quote or anything like that, or use this as a way of calculating your payment. This is just so you can see the differences between these scenarios. So that being said, if we were to show your home value, let's say your home value is, you can buy for about $450 today, interest rates about 5% right now. Let's say that the value goes up, or the sales price goes up by merely 1%, and let's say interest rates increase by 1%, you can see that jumps your payment up, what is that, over to $300 per month. $300 per month for a 1% rate increase, which happens more than you think. Since January, it's already gone up 1%. So a lot of people are freaking out. I thought rates were in the threes. They haven't been in the threes for a while now. If you want to make sure you catch this before they hit 6, now's the time to get out there shopping. You can play around with this. Let's say prices go up by 4%. Now, depending on who you talk to, some analysts are saying that prices will go up 2 to 4% in California because they went crazy, and now the appreciation is just slowing down. It's not stopping, it's just slowing down. So 4% is not a unheard of number. That would take you from 448 to 465,900, 4%. Now, if interest rates keep going up and it goes up to 6% within the time that you're thinking you're going to wait it out, again, that changes you $378. This is just a cool tool for you to be able to go back and forth. Again, if you're in a much lower priced area, let's say 300,000, and same thing happens, then your payment still goes up $253. So depending on what you're doing, this may or may not have a much bigger impact on you than you think. There you go. These are some cool tools to keep an eye on or to use. So feel free to steal those. Again, interest rates have been going up since January pretty aggressively, and yeah, and they got all kinds of fun stuff in here. So that being said, if you guys are ready to get out there shopping, got any questions, you need to update your approval letters, anything like that, give me a call. I'm happy to walk through those with you and get you ready to rock and roll. You guys have a fantastic day. Have a great weekend out there shopping, and I will talk to you later. Again, if you need to reach me, 951-312-8650. Bye-bye.